हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, अ शॉर्ट सर्किटेड कॉइल इज प्लेस्ड इन अ टाइम वेरिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, द इलेक्ट्रिक पावर डिसिपेटेड ड्यू टू द करंट इंड्यूस्ड इन द कॉइल, और if the number of turns were to be quadrupled and the wire radius becomes half, electric power dissipated would be। तो दो डिफरेंट सिचुएशन दिया है, राइट, और दोनों सिचुएशन को कंपेयर किया गया है कि हाफ होगा पावर जो पहले से है सेम रहेगा, डबल होगा, क्वाड्रपल होगा, राइट। तो जो फर्स्ट सिचुएशन है उसमें का पावर निकाल लेते हैं, फिर सेकंड सिचुएशन में पावर निकाल लेंगे और फिर दोनों को कंपेयर कर लेंगे और फिर ऑप्शन से मैच करेंगे, राइट। तो इनिशियल सिचुएशन में देखते हैं, एज यू ऑल नो इनिशियल स्टेट, राइट। पहले इनिशियली का लेते हैं, इनिशियल सिचुएशन, राइट। तो एज यू ऑल नो पावर इज इक्वल टू v अपॉन v स्क्वायर अपॉन r, right, where r is the radius. So we see how much v will come, right. EMF induced will be d phi upon dt, right, and phi is equal to, right, a I, right, this will be the flux area into, sorry, right, flux will be a into b and total number of turns are n, so this will be flux, so d phi upon dt. Okay, since you know that n and a will remain constant, so n and a can be taken outside. N is the number of turns and a is the area of cross section, so this will become dB upon dt, right. So this is the, so this will be the EMF induced. Okay, now I can put this value in equation 1. Okay, so let us put it. So P is equal to V square, so this will become N square A square dB upon dt square, right. So this will become V square, and radius you can write like resistivity into L into pi r square, where pi r, right, r is the radius of the wire, so pi r square will be the area of cross section of the wire I am saying, and L is the length of the wire, so this will become the radius. So this is the power initial, right. Okay, now, right, okay, now there is a final situation. In the final situation the number of turns were quadrupled and the radius becomes half. Okay, so let us take the second situation now. So I can I can call this one as equation 2. Okay, now I take the final situation. Right. In the final situation, once again, P final will be equal to V square upon R, right. So let us see how much it will come. So P final, right, V N A into B, right. So the flux is coming in, right, V is coming in a dB by dt, so dB by dt will remain same, area of cross section will also be remain same, the N become 4 times, it is giving here, so this will become 4N A, area remains same, and this square A square and dB upon dt square, so this becomes your V square. Okay, now the radius is rho, right, the resistivity will remain same because the wire is same. Okay, now if the radius is becoming half, so you can easily say the area becomes 1 by 4 times, so the length must becomes, right, sorry, the area, right, the cross section, the area of cross section of the wire is pi r square. Okay, since the radius is half, so you can say like the area will become 1 by 4 times and the volume has to remain constant, so the length must becomes 4 times, so that this becomes, right, let us see. Okay, right, okay, I am saying here, right, I am showing you what it is happening. A into L, A into L is the volume that remains constant. Okay, so I can say like A is what, pi r square, and this becomes L, so this becomes constant, right. So I can say here the r square into L is equal to constant, right. So r square and L both are, right, the product is constant, so this will be inversely proportional, so the r becomes half, so r square will, right, it will become 1 by 4 times, and since they are inversely proportional, so r square is becoming 1 by 4 times, so L becomes 4 times. Okay, so from here I can say this will become 4 times, as r square is becoming 1 upon 4 times, and both are inversely proportional because the product is constant here. So the L become 4 times. So I can say here this will become 4 into L, okay, and this will become pi, and the radius has become half, so pi r by 2 square. See, right? So now see how much it will get. Right, this will become 4 square, this becomes n square a square dB upon dt square into pi r square upon rho L, and this will become 16 once again. So this will get cancelled out. So let us call this is equation 1. If you compare equation 1 and 2, you can easily see both the equations are same. So you'll say like the initial power, or you can say the power in the first situation is same as the power in the initial situation. So it will remain same. So which option is coming? Option B. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.